Now we will see the ICT at workplace. Now how can we use ICT at any workplace we have, like in business? In any business, if you want to expand in today's business strategies, there are multinational companies there which acts in different nations and different countries. So how can they manage their business? By using these ICT tools, by using these different kinds of things like MS Word, like Excel, and any many other things. These are the basic things, but we are using very distinctive things in the business industry. And next is industries. In industry, you can see many industry or maximum industries are automated. Automated means they are using computers to they are using robots, they are using computer to automatically generate things, automatically manufacture things that are very good in production and very good in their quality. So these industries are also using computers, and if the computers are using in that particular industry, that computer also falls in ICT. So we can use ICT in the industries in these ways. Another thing is agriculture. Now how we can use ICT in agriculture? We have known about the weather forecasting system. Weather forecasting system gives a particular perfect weather forecast for the agriculture, for the farmers, that they can use these weather forecasting system so that they can sow their agriculture, to sow their crops, or they can um, cut their crops, or whatever they have to do in the particular type of climate. Okay, the next thing is defense. We know that defense is going very technological these days. Defense have very technological aspect, like in each and every field they are using ICT tools, computers, drones, and many other things to enhance their defense services. Another thing is medical services. We know that each and every medical or services, or each and every hospital have different type of computers, like they have the life protecting system or life assistance system, which are used for regularly monitoring the patients who are criticals, so they can life or we can say that life support system, which are used for generating or monitoring the patients in the real time. Another thing is scientific research. Also we all also known as scientific research. Research means to search a huge amount of data in one place and use them as information. Now for collecting huge amount of data and for processing this huge amount of data, only human is not possible to do that. So we have to use computers, we have to use different ICT tools to betterment, for the betterment of these scientific research. Another thing is training and education. We are using these things today. We are training the teachers, we are training different things, and we are giving education to a particular situation, in a particular situation, like in this lockdown situation. We are providing education to you by these things, by these using ICT tools. Okay, the next is ICT in financial service. We have seen the use of ICT in banks, and banks are main financial services of a particular of our country or any country in the world. So the banks, if the banks are using that much of ICT, then the financial services are also dependent on the ICT tools. Another is e-governance. We have learned about Aadhaar card and e-Aadhaar and many other things, PAN card, and many other systems which are used in governance, or for easily governing the person, that for easily governing a whole huge country like India. Okay, another thing is sports. We are seeing the sports, we can analyze any kind of things. The sports person can analyze their activities using the ICT tools and many other things, so that they can give their 100% or 200% in that particular game. And also we can watch the sports in real time live by using these ICT tools. So these were the ICT tools and their uses in the workplace and other things. So in the next video we will see the computer components and its peripheral devices. So stay tuned.